Are you fed up with spending a fortune on pills just to fix a weak erection or erectile dysfunction? What if I told you that you don't need those drugs anymore? Because natural ingredients, right in your kitchen, can help improve your performance without any side effects. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful natural recipes that work like homemade Viagra. Let's get into it. Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men around the world. When you visit a doctor, you're often given medication to treat the symptoms, not the cause. But here's something important. Many cases of ED can be improved or even reversed through simple changes in your diet and lifestyle. Recipe 1. Herbal Power Tea, Natural Viagra Tea. Here's what you'll need. 1 liter of water. A small piece of ginger, peeled and chopped. A handful of nettle leaves, rinsed and chopped. 1/3 of a lemon, sliced. 1 stick of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of honey. 3 tablespoons of hibiscus tea. And the key ingredient, Schisandra sinensis, a powerful herb known to support male sexual health. Use berries if possible, or leaves if not. Pour boiling water over all the ingredients and let it steep. This tea is safe for daily use. It boosts circulation, supports heart health, and may even help lower your risk of diabetes. Recipe 2. Morning Erection Smoothie. Start with 1/4 of a watermelon, chopped into cubes. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, which your body converts into L-arginine, a key amino acid that increases nitric oxide. This helps your blood vessels relax and improves blood flow. Bonus tip: yellow watermelon has up to 4 times more citrulline than the red kind, so grab it if you can. Next, add a small piece of ginger, peeled and chopped. Juice of 1 lemon. 120 milliliters of water. Blend it all together and drink half a cup every morning. With consistent use, you may notice improved erections in just a few weeks. Recipe 3. Superfood Smoothie for Sexual Vitality. This smoothie is loaded with nutrients that boost testosterone, stamina, and blood flow. In your blender, combine 1 cup watermelon, 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds, packed with antioxidants, 1 cup spinach, a source of magnesium, potassium, and folate. 1/2 banana, contains bromelain, which may support sexual endurance. 50 g walnuts, rich in omega-3s and good for sperm production. A few pieces of dark chocolate, high in L-arginine. 1/2 cup water. Blend until smooth and enjoy daily. This isn't just a smoothie, it's a natural daily boost for your entire body and sexual health. If you've been trying these recipes and still aren't seeing results, your ED might be connected to a deeper issue that diet alone can't fix. But remember, natural remedies are a powerful starting point. And if you didn't know that yellow watermelon contains 4 times more citrulline than red, let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these recipes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health secrets.